or radio ni TV. And then the chemo di radio na man na ya bre free do. Because we didn't kwasiasem. O management ya we.
Okatakyie Afrifa. Se kwakuti yan yin di by February. That's all that was Angela. Mon try that. So they will say anything about Mahama. The take my fam. Montro and net date and so on.
And this person thinks that I am in a competition with him. You competing.
Never.
You see, and it's not about Captain Smarto. He understands the psyche of the people and he's playing games with them.
Kwame Safa Kayi. Who pa resign? Paul Adom who pa resign? Okatakyie Afrifa. Who pa resign? Mumbi and sad dead.
If the comparison is between me and Captain Smart, who is the king of morning show, it should clearly tell you that this guy is not normal. Maybe a normal person to you.
Arofo ensema ebobo bano ensema eyiri ebun kamfaso ebano ano de ehu ankasa the sentina make ne say eye enina Okatakyie Afrifa oye adwuma awo Angel group of company eye Angel TV no awo host morning show awo Angel TV awo Accra ene Captain Smart awo no host morning show awo Onua TV eno so wa Accra honoma orofo ensama abobo ba fire Captain Smart atro ama Okatakyie Afrifa ama Okatakyie Afrifa so ade ho abufu show abadidi Captain Smart atem atrete na akache Captain Smart say so oyo berema omra emehia ono Okatakyie Afrifa no na obekire ono Captain Smart ne say yo berema ane yo berema ni sentina Captain Smart so akache Okatakyie Afrifa say berema wonya asantini mpo wonya akani mpo no afro ho say oyo hene e wasantima mu na Captain Smart ekire Okatakyie Afrifa ase ekire na ase se Okatakyie no krampo no enka sa akoidin ho Captain Smart aduaduamu ayopomu apunsamu aprumu ahunkamu amayehu Okatakyie Afrifa ase na Captain Smart say ye ka obi a wo yefro no ohene anato wo ye ohene ya ono Captain Smart no wo ye ohene pokese wo ye oman hene kese ewo asantimamu me sent no Okatakyie Afrifa entiatia break Okatakyie Afrifa on poso kra na wonyina honom ne ka obarema wo ye obarema awokon adinisa edu esi nachi epembe nanim a Okatakyie Afrifa no ye ka barema wanya de wonka ho bi wei ana Okatakyie Afrifa shows onzo tro edima Captain Smart no odofo emu owram me say what the phone about Juma de so a me subscribe button in my so subscriber send me all the time no you the video bia is circulated to ma also on sabetima kabi na wabo ni akoma na uni Ghana ha obetima hwe TV a ai also hu ni akwaso e wo oman ni mu no Captain Smart say so Okatakyie Afrifa nim no bie ne se abiasa miensa wei e kasafa John Dramani Mahama ho a ono Okatakyie Afrifa no ne katrama ebefam odofo tie ni ye ensama ebubo ba no enne so Okatakyie Afrifa share Captain Smart na I bet you so beshutu no Captain Smart so share Okatakyie Afrifa na I bet you so the ka bebo no ku before abeda sankofo mienu ntemu no emu orem odofo kana ho na yenkọ hwe Captain Smart just abufoshew video dey dey aba beto social media ne so enam so ma Okatakyie Afrifa eso are responding na just akofa ensema ye intire han kasa eba just Safa no imi enu die ha emu orem ye hwe Captain Smart ebra na outro shots ama Okatakyie Afrifa nembra
Kwame Safa Kayi. Who pa resign? Paul Adom who pa resign? Okatakyie Afrifa. Who pa resign? Mumbi and sad dead. Momu treno. Oh, ya no betra. Sha. Bahama ya de na nyamunja me ya enka ya de. Because you saw nothing bad about Akufo-Addo government.
Fellow Ghanaians.
But me, Me krokro mahama me nya. Me nya bi da, me nya. Ba mo nya ma mo nka bi.
Gwen.
Ma mo nka bi. Enye sa afa mo ntumi nkoti for staff on kwaji skanti. Mo de mani bi be so mahama so anya mo boa. Enenka my last drop of blood. Me de be di machi. Mo bia nka bi. Safa kan mi bo di bi. Kwame Safa kan P7 104.3. Your friend say Okatakyie Afrifa Angel 102.9.
No, that's what Angel will.
Oh, there, Mammy Cancer. Your friend say Paul Admotry Metro TV. Mamun can be. Mamun try cry. What to one who saw mine say to this level, so-called senior useless journalist. Be it to be a no one can amount to because
on Angel FM.
I know I did bomb that's it. Much Jessica. It's some of you said no. My way, Abba. Maybe the American say, Adia, Enyano, na enye. Ade enye no enye me den na mafanye mahama obia hu se o ye kan sa kwa no so ye MPP ni hwade ode aye mahama 2016 afie du ba bi kwa me kofi na metete ya me timi push o na pinti aba captain na me say yes boss and na won kofi boss na dey se ma pick intel te na won kofi ala e de ma kwotena a sheda say say corporate office ho na ma kwotena ho e betena watena sa ehimre we ho sa na say jawka no ha okoda ha na makoda. Why? Because that material moment, I realize say niyama na ekoso mahama bemu no na nye papa. That time na nkrofo ba no mo frɛ captain odi atem dodo say captain jay atem didie no captain odi atem dodo manyai me ka ton so pa yi medi bibini any team and I me share MPP t-shirt edim bo say na na do anwe mahama we ni kra me share the t-shirt but me share and ma awurade jakopo me share mahama t-shirt
na oti na na do
e dia be sasifia ne bi. Oh, that time na table wey see and to be who sisi ye. They say my court training, my wine is 360 degrees. My jeans so pumpy ni be there. If you am pen na draw wom. Papistic na sa draw one chain ho left ho. Na femi there wine sisi fia ni bi. Oh, what sisi fia ni bi. Ena na do be the president. We dey try, say we dey try. E be sa we dey jai. Me share kaftan. What dey sisi fi yen there? We who me sisi. Any panny angel. Me bo ba umia etuja kakra bi wa Adom about $1. Na MPP for temperature kosoro. Any angel. Pempai, hey, kweko watin we nyina dia e be go station. Meanwhile, I'm afraid me at the Kandapa office. Say, Cocoa Tin stations in the doors. Into me a director of operations or what they are. A should they use station non famwa MPP. Number can say, Mamma near my 10 am my papa. Me kwa na makoka. Oh, don't worry, I'll call the ministers. Listen there. Omanya de papa ba kokura okruma. This see wo mo konso ani fia.
Angel in the morning.
Na me madam Sube de Magana for who said ya metie. Okatakyie Afrifa. Se kwakuti yan yi na di by February. That's all that was Angela. Mon try that. So they will say anything about Mahama. Me takra ma be fam. Montro and net date and so. Watch this. And I am sitting here to say this. If you will take my blood to defend and protect John Dramani Mahama, everyone central I will do it. And let nobody dare try.
But general consistently, I will keep saying, Mahama was the saint.
Okay? let nobody or one medium more krum ha dare try. Yenya ye zine ba ye no. Mama yenya yenka so yem from so ana modin beko. Memma pola do watchre ye na no da so be kama hama sem ne takra ma be fam. E ma se fe kan try da. Ne takra ma be fam. E ma advancements and try da. Ne takra ma be fam. Many at this point. So, me Muhammad didn't some form beka. But if you would take my blood to make sure say Muhammad be whole, I'll do it. And let nobody dare. So, let nobody dare in this country. Because winning. We are centrally what was so say 100,000 Ghana cedis. Now one company in Kwame say.
Ajeta.
24-year line.
Ajeta.
Who could do Jubilee House no my line? Jessica say moi. You think me means me what this can be? Now when you on my MPP in 2016. I saved another life twice. Nyame no na nam na call say ba. Na no mo pa cho. Who be say no mo hu. And then when you last minute, 3 days to elections, that pressure about me so they are permanent.
Onuya.
Debbie,
Chema.
me ho. Me nipa fan. Adie bi so fan.
Onuya machi o.
And then I can me nipa half. Adie bi so half.
I still na me dem kudu card and me interested.
Oh, my catch was say Exp0sed ni dikan. Ya botre, e mo ka no ma no.
Ba men kan offer me.
Me can offer. Oh. Enti Ghana frontier say Adia Muhammad here kese pan samre e womi e dia support and spiritual understanding. And yes, spiritual support. Spiritual support e dia Muhammad wie. Because say ya me no ka say ne papa Adama otikumase. Me na me catch me ka bibia. Bi say mon pa mon frɛ konfobia no obi onim fom. Mahama papa sɔre otikumase. Otikronoma francho sesi a ohwe de ekɔ. Oti akonya bi so okronoma francho ohwe ade ekɔ. Eti spiritual support ne de owo. The aka e understanding. Se Mahama ya support JB 4 years pena e won ne baby a branch ne de Ghana be kɔ.
Onuya.
Ye yem betwa kro. We say hey. And ye pam 2016.
Captain Smart.
2016 de me na me lead here.
Of morning shows.
We di san kwasi asem no ma Mahama de kɔ. The very medase and the majatum o de nya hwe. Ba enra 200 dam do majimo 80. Yeah, Jamie. With the first area Mahama Beko. I Commander Sugar Factory.
Yeah,
on that we so sa about Commander Sugar Factory.
It's all restored.
With the entry of Jane, Commander Sugar Factory. The way Mahama Papa Adama take chronoma francho akonya so aye na ni ho.
Most anniversary.
Let nobody dare in this country. me nipa te haya. But Ghana and Central Juma we.
Oh nipa.
What's it?
Oh nipa.
Me nipa.
Oh nipa.
Ghana and Central Juma we. Me kan sa Mahama aban no nyam from so, obayen from so. But wa won kan wa wo de wan no be si Mahama ho me do nyame. O takra ma be fam. Because where Kevin Taylor won say na owo Ghana komu kunu.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Kevin. Me would say to dan crofo say me ho ye omo won say me ti krom ha na nsema kase say papa yo to de bi oka. Say Kevin cried your ti abrochire to kan ye hwe. Ba wo de Jubilee House kwan na twa wo ne wo ntem.
Unie na minie. Minie na unie.
Adwuma Kevin Taylor aye no.
8 senior.
You think say or ti abrochire but no soma nkra ne ba.
Mr. 8 wow.
Hwese me in 2 years ya chime 39 times.
8 no. Yep.
It is Kevin Taylor han komeden ko mekunu.
8 senior.
Come kumno. And me danyame say oba no oyana wabefem no koba hu no.
Ni maku.
Ye ya yenim ni yenim. Untimi. Media house say wo Ghana ha. Wo mu CEO said that call meeting ko Jessica. Against Mahama minimo. It will be one no pa me bolding. Me Mahama yam from Swa. Me am men chemo big car. Me am a kind.
Arafo yam ko ne ko tie Okatakyie Afrifa so fire on so true e de ma Captain Smart no emra ye ba ye de ne aka ni na abeto am so kama.
Then Smart comes out and lies, say, and I will lie. He's lying. Kobe, there is nothing that can be replaced with the word lie. Captain Smart, you can't draw. He is lying to the people. Captain is just lying. It is when Captain is lying, was say, see, Bakusi Tamale. Bakusi Kumasi, let me jina ho. And you see, Captain, unless one about them, no, unless one another mental problem be. Anna, say, what now ho? Emma, obi, your poison will be, but now which now who see the poison you gum. Captain Wabadam, it means who a mental problem. Because he had the drug go be a him now which now home yet your drug go and him. Now went to me and can't want him. Now what she deem yet the gum many panidia. Wabadam. But you see, Captain Bua, there's nothing like that. Terry from one year.
I know Nana, I do baby at a break.
Where we won't know the panic captain.
One say, won't you me tea, won't you me was a
won't to me release this statement to see a poison. Yansa be and me say, so won't to meet in our home will be the poison go be him. No, D, not dear chain, not Dr. Catches a poison womb. That's why we ready Panama police and China or mental problem.
More fire.
Captain Smart is a watching a ho, at the NSC Baku or Tamale. And about Kubesi Wokmas and then what you don't want the poison gum. Now, Captain said, I was there. Take it from me. I was there. Take it from me. No, I say, who control? Oh, boy. BBS anyhow.
More fire.
Oh, boy. BBS anyhow.
More fire.
But because one to me guy never catch it, say, why accomplice? That means who question police show.
Yeah.
Because which na captain. Obi the poison you go your friend say say John Kuma near the poison you go na duane na hu see the gum na no kwa we dey hu say poison what test wo you know, and I'm asking you to use your brain and you are angry that man say use your brain. And a captain say another one say be see one crying. And people believe this cock and bull story. And true say na ugidi.
More fire.
Eti John Kuma no obi o ye lawyer ni o. We Jimmy say you try no number 1 e water your friend say Tamale. And was certain one Jimmy for you start trying another one Kumasi. And another one yes. But what that means you are even belittling John Kuma's ability to think. And you see, you don't want anybody to think. You are used to a society where we don't question anything. Okay, so Okatakyie is the odd one out. We will put questions. We will do. So what's the agenda? Will be a question. Is it yeah pemekume kura o yeah pemekume. Yeah. Everywhere. All angles, yes, send it different. All angles, BBR, yes, send BBR. Sekabe sorry, no pa morning show. Kwame Safa Kayi. You can Kwame Safa Kayi. Do you have an idea who Kwame Safa Kayi is? 30 years in the game, Kwame Safa Kayi. At the morning show, so now me be my microphone, me listenership, and you are not so shocked. They say, how did this guy do it? Why and they say freedom. Me nyanko pono. Say the countryman sungo kano. Awesome. Nyanko pono so. See ya morning show Kwame Nkrumah tikese enso ya morning show ni bi o Kwame Nkrumah tikese ya morning show ni bi brave settle camera ni na me fa so nsem kunu so ana mini modum na Captain Smart started radio na me wo JSS3 say me say mo primary 2 close primary 3 Captain Smart and if the comparison is between me and Captain Smart who is the king of morning show it should clearly tell you that this guy is not normal me a normal person to you.
Exactly.
But for any time, I mean, I'm short on him. Ajelo.
Oyene.
Dem ka say.
Me tia se pa.
The nipa de 30 so. Na as 2003 na Captain Smart here morning show host. And then me be a microphone. You compare me to Captain Smart. How is that even possible? Doesn't make sense. And it doesn't tell you that this guy is on the road. Me ma create power road na me nemu na me ko. Me no bia ni ha twaka bia.
Da.
Ben Arable 2004 no sha say here morning show. Morning show me e bi da bay.
Nansen
I came into this game just 2016.
Exactly.
But the nkrofo de 30 something. Oman yin Kwabena Sante morning show our year morning show. Oman yin Kwabena Sante from 98 wo bono wan mema. And within 7 years I am in the game.
Exactly.
And chere mu bibia say we nyankopon no na ahye de chira no. Ayem wa
doing wonders.
Ayem wa. The other enjoy your friends say ba ko yi. Kwaje yansi. When you started morning show, I'm saying was a Peter to say.
Just look at that.
I started Cape Coast. 8 years. And still, Bibi can't tell say Yamia Shira will be near money to ya. And a particular and you guys are sitting down. Think say I won't be scared.
Exactly.
Yet as a woman so Munse Muna Mudini said a motata memo so say I don't even want to me person man oxygen. But then a particular nama I've gotten into that mood where I want to speak to you guys that me for who
the bitter.
Is a young woman and more senior canonuntum Manone cantumun
and
cantumutchina or Chelachika home.
Sapepepe.
Orazia mam kwa mama kaya no atumna bone atribe reason. And this person thinks that I am in a competition with him. You competing. Never. You see, and it's not about Captain Smart. He understands the psyche of the people and he's playing games with them.
More fire.
Yeah, police in Igbo in the tree. All of a sudden, Captain, na mini majua, ana majua no you walk and to secondary. It turns out one go and to secondary. And still people believe that Captain what is wrong with the mind of the people? I sometimes want to understand. And you see, because they understand that you like drama. You people, you like drama.
More fire.
Captain, you say you want to wage war. Maybe you did not even think of it.
Against who?
You see, if I want to beat him in the media, I should SM a many nipa 1,000 at say one no. But go and ask your management. Japasu. Waba had 2 times I patch on memory and me 2 through a conyaso. Men I'm seeing me and ultimate. Who's our management? Me, I want to be like you.
And you are Tronzo.
No. Not my boy, my body. Missing the management. Captain said, now what ya dear, now what management himself, what ya dear. And can we radio need TV? And then I check with the radio, Naman and I have because we didn't question some management ya way. What will probably to no munya will be more fire. Missing management about 2 times. Men I'm seeing more fire. Take it from me. Kobu say for Japas, what about 2 times? Men I'm seeing one. Jarin me dancing. Men I'm seeing one member because you mean I won't come there. And you say I want to be. Let me tell you this, Captain. At no point are you in purview of whatever me, Kwame Afrifa, I envisage to be in this world. The dream, the vision, whatever I foresee myself becoming, you are nowhere in purview of that. You don't even come anywhere close. And I get so pissed and peeved when people compare you and I in terms of substance. No substance, no education, you don't learn, you don't analyze issues, drama, concept. And now Koswa cement to a year, Adiachia, or Sena, one man, bank, Bible view, Adiachia, a Bible, no, what better because there is no substance. What me, you see 1 hour, not the preaching Ankrofono, who are yet drama because he understands the psyche. And you say, me, I want to be like you, Captain Smart. Are you okay?
Adam for ever must say, I send a see, no. Let you say, oh my mono, and I say, oh my Ghana, dear. If he said John Dramani Mamas, as well on the 7th January, no. Barankasa mani mweshi pa when he send me a kikamo I just a GH Power TV de aka chem say ye do ze mo asuko na ye wia ne safata na de aba be peso kwakubo nsam so de nsam bi abetoto dwa na ye ni na we de miam godfather Reverend Obofo ne ho nsam bi aba beto abonten a all of all keep you subscribe send by the video ni na tumu a monsa betimi akabi na mabomani akoma bibi che wadwen so afa comment de gu asema e be kenka bibia so dia ma ha na berema Kwame di dwuma de ni ye de esi medama say makram